welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna. I'm a real estate agent here in Southern California, and today I decided to pick up my camera and start vlogging to show you guys what I do as a real estate agent in SoCal. Today I'm here in the city of Los Angeles, about to go check out some properties, and I thought that I would take you guys with me and I'll show you whatever else we get into, so let's go. Welcome to 910 North Rexford Drive, located in the Flats of Beverly Hills. This home features 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and just over 12,500 square feet. This was a 2-level home that also included a guest house out in the backyard. As you can see, this backyard area was absolutely gorgeous. This pool featured a water slide and a waterfall. That is the guest house over there. This is the primary suite, which, I was actually speechless as I entered this room. It had its own fireplace, so much natural lighting, built-ins, and it also had these beautiful French doors that led out to a private terrace, perfect for having your morning coffee, doing your morning affirmations, and it overlooks the entire backyard. And one of the things that I thought was really special about this home was all of the privacy that you have. As you can see none of your neighbors. I just thought that was perfect. So as we continue back into the primary bedroom, this is the ensuite bathroom. It features a walk-in shower, this beautiful deep soaking bathtub, sinks on both sides of the bathroom, and then there was this pretty cool feature here. It's his and hers water closets, which both feature their own bidets. So just off of the primary bathroom was this massive walk-in closet. This primary bedroom actually features 2 walk-in closets, this being the largest one. There was so much space for you to put all of your shoes, clothes. It was just stunning. And this is the second walk-in closet, just a bit smaller, but still really nice. I love that there were windows in both closets to bring in natural lighting. So just down the hallway was this kids room. I thought it was super cute. It had its own seating area. It also had a private terrace and an ensuite bathroom, which is really nice. This space is really spacious. There's so much space inside the bathroom and just outside the bathroom without actually having to be in the room. So plenty of space to get ready right here. So another nice feature of this room are these French doors that lead out to the private terrace, which overlooks the swimming pool. This home also featured a 3rd level, which was being used as a reading room / library and an office space. You can see here they have built-ins for all of your books. This was the kids reading room, which was super cute. There is also a full bathroom up here. This space here is currently being used as the office. It also had a private terrace, which I just love these private terraces. They just bring in so much natural light and they really give you that indoor-outdoor feel. So this was the end of the home tour. Okay, you guys, so we are done looking at properties. We ended up going to lunch and I forgot to film, but had a good lunch here in Beverly Hills. About to look at some expired listings and mail out some of these postcards. But that's about it for today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.